Hello everyone. Share about the recently open-sourced AI voice cloning model, MaskGCT. This model is open-sourced by the OpenLab team. The advantage of this voice model is its good performance at the prosodic level. Disadvantage, not suitable for low GPUs. At least 1 GB of GPU memory is required. Engineering optimization has a lot of room for improvement. And in the official repository, there is an entry for the commercial version of this model. Can be experienced for free online within a limited time. The commercial version is still very effective. Open the integrated package. Check the running environment first. Double-click to run. VAT.
说的好像您带我以来，我考好过几次一样。
The device is the 4060 notebook version, which can be seen. 8 GB VRAM is already full. Need to borrow at least 3 GB of system RAM for normal inference. If your graphics memory is less than 11G, please ensure that the system memory revert policy in the NVIDIA control panel is turned on. Otherwise, the graphics memory will definitely explode.
说的好像您带我以来，我考好过几次一样。还有更惨的，我亲眼见过有人猝死，猝死是最操蛋的了，所以只要有空就去厕所来一发，等你熟练了，你录的时候脑子里想的都是钱。
测试英文
Testing English.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, Chat, GPT. Did you know? The Bushmen of the Kalahari Desert in Africa are said to have 2 types of hunger.
以上，感谢您的观看，这里是刘月的技术博客。